If you're just getting started or plan to jump into digital planning, these are the 3 important things you need to know to get started. The very first thing you need to get started with digital planning is, of course, a gadget. The most common and most suggested gadget to use for digital planning is an iPad. It doesn't matter what kind of generation you have for your iPad, just as long as it's compatible with an Apple Pencil.
Other gadgets like Android tablets paired with a stylus can also be used with digital planning. You can also use devices like Microsoft Surface. Digital planning can also be done using your Mac, Windows PC, even your phone, but the downside is you won't have that writing experience. As long as your device is compatible with any PDF annotation app, you can use it. And that's the second thing you need, the Application One software to use to be able to use your digital planner. There are plenty of PDF annotation apps in the market, but these are the most popular ones. First is the GoodNotes app. It is only available on Apple devices. It will cost you $7.99, but it is a one-time payment. Once you buy it with one of your devices, you can download it across all of your Apple devices, and all future updates will be free as well. Next is Notability. Currently, like GoodNotes, Notability is only applicable in Apple devices. You can get it for $9.99. The most exciting feature of Notability is the audio recording. There are more features available, but they are in-app purchases. This means you need to pay more to get them. The next app is available on both iOS and Android devices. This app is Noteshelf. For iOS devices, you can get it for $9.99, while for Android devices, you can get it for only $4.99. Next is GoodNotes. GoodNotes is only applicable on Apple devices as well. You can get it for $7.99. But if you want to try it out without paying, you can try the Lite version, GoodNotes Lite. It only comes with the basic features. GoodNotes has a lot of features the previous apps don't have, but the app is not as user-friendly as the others.